This is Xiaomi won't turn on or charge fix. So guys, first thing is do a basic reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. And sometimes the phone is frozen and just need a force reboot. Another one is try a different USB-C cable and wall adapters and avoid laptop USB port and just simply use a wall socket for proper power. Another one is clean the charging port. You could use a toothpick or soft brush to remove dust or lint blocking the port because a dirty port can stop charging. Another one, force charge mode. So plug the phone into the charger, then hold power plus volume up for 10 to 15 seconds, and this can wake up a drained battery. Now, guys, if the phone shows no signs of life, the issue could be the battery. So just simply contact a professional repair for this to be fixed. There you go.